I hear something about a weird hiking stick. I was gonna tape you with it. A moldy. Ooh, this is a pretty part.
He's taking my hiking stick.
Oh.
I kind of want to go over there.
Oh. Come on, babe, let's do this scene from Dirty Dancing on the log. Hey, hey, baby, I wanna know, would you be my girl?
I promise I got it.
You got it, baby. You got it! Yay! Stairs, stairs. That's what Jazzy keeps saying. Stairs, stairs. Right now, yeah. You did it, Mary. How do you feel? You crossed the highest log.
I was scared. I'm so happy I did it. Oh! I'm so happy.
I'd be happy I wouldn't fall either.
It was very scary. Like, when I'm scared. It was kind of scared. I thought I was going to kill myself. Because I saw a branch with the spikes.
Oh, yeah.
The spikes. And then they cut the leg, and I had to jump over it. And like, that's what I was scared about. If I got like that.
Yeah, but you made it. You did good. Good job. High five. We gotta catch up. Go. What did you say? In the animal habitat.
Yeah.
Says Maddie. Ah! Well, you picked the right necklace to wear today.
My dad gave this to me. Oh, look, there's another one.
Scary in there. It's a big old tree. I don't see any ants though. James sat down on this log and he said now he has ants in his pants, so we are trying to check it out. How are your pants? How are your pants? Was it rude? I thought you said you had ants in your pants.
It's probably going to go like two feet.
That's what I was going to find. Ready? It just broke like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was wonderful.
Right ahead looks really interesting.
It was lined and lines on it, and I stepped on it. I thought it was a snake, and I run really fast. I'm like, oh,
No, a snake wouldn't be still if you stepped on it. Everything looks like snakes. See all that?
Oh, that's cool. I think
Everything that's fallen down.
Somebody probably camped out there.
You think somebody camped out here? It's a lot of tree down.
Tree down, tree down.
I like throwing rocks, and I have to find rocks when we're on hikes, and I just like throwing them.
Ooh.
We're at Dat Fancy Toll Booth.
Dat Fancy Toll Booth.
$2 to get through.
Here you go.
That's fake.
We're stuck.
I'll let y'all guys through right now.
Yay!
But
We're through.
$6. Somebody just yelled Morse code.
We're all alone. We're lost. There was a fork in the road.
There's 3 of us. See, I have a dagger.
Way to play along.
Dat Fancy Dagger.
Dat Fancy Dagger.
Nice.
Is that an enemy?
There was 2 different paths, and we don't know where they went because they weren't so far ahead of us.
They did it on purpose.
One.
Here. Let's throw that fancy dagger.
Mom's been on bed rest for a week, and then they bring me out here on this crucial hike that they're running through.
We're sticking with you, and I'm trying to get more money from you from that fancy toll booth.
Jeez. Tracks. We found tracks.
See right here? You'll see like a simple shoe. Looks like big because it's Big Macs.
Like big.
I don't think the girls are heavy enough to make little tracks. Let's see. Is that maybe one?
Those look like big.
Ooh, does anybody have little tiny like honeycomb checkers on the bottom of their shoes?
Wait.
Mary?
I don't.
I see that.
Dad.
That fancy dagger. Didn't work.
They're all low. Seriously, guys,
We're trackers.
we can't find them at all.
We can find them anywhere. We can't even hear them.
There's more tracks.
More tracks.
Found a bunch.
We found more.
Yeah. These are definitely signs of a Big Mac foot. Got Big Mac feet.
Got fancy Big Mac feet, which isn't fancy. We're gonna find them.
There's everybody's tracks that's like ever been on this trail.
Wait, I need to make.
I think we're way behind.
Make my mark. Okay, I need my mark. Right? Morse code! Wait, no, I got this.
SOS!
Yeah, Morse code!
Stairs.
No,
Oh, I hear them.
Morse code!
They're probably like way up the mountain.
Morse code! What's that? Ooh, that's
I like this part. It's nice and open. I can hear them.
they're all up there.
Are they up?
No, I hear them.
I think they're hiding down there somewhere. This is nice and open part.
That I can't hide for nothing. Where? That I just saw that.
I hear water.
I heard y'all.
We found them!
Heard us, you didn't see
They were
us.
hiding behind this tree.
Trying to run.
And they used another
We are running.
trail
We are running.
person to distract us.
I saw you, Dave. I saw you and Maddie right there.
I see homes and schools. We're not that deep in the woods. Not anymore. A cool really part. Cool really part. Woo, it's open.
So you tell your daughter that it doesn't lead to a C, so she come up here and try to bicker with me about it the same way I did with you.
Go ponytail, go. Swingy, 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 swingy. Oh, she stopped it. Swingy, 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 swingy.
How about a woodpecker? Daddy seen a woodpecker earlier.
She said she heard a door knock. A knock on the door.
We'll find the trolls. They live here in the woods.
There's an animal.
Dun, dun, dun. An animal. I don't know. Do you guys see any animals? All I see is ponytails.
Purple or black dots on it.
Check that out. It's like a.
What is it?
It looks like. Look at the grooves in it.
Who's this?
Like a screwdriver tree. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's okay. It's just little wood pieces. It's pretty cool, huh? You okay?
It's right here, little stubby.
A little stabby. You okay, Sniffles? Uh-oh, it looks like we're coming up on another troll. The grumpy old troll that lives under the bridge.
No, it's that fancy toll. And this time we're armed, so stay back there. $2.
We're gonna get lost again.
Hey, go. Hey, go.
Go under. Stay back.
Raise this troll!
Jazzy and Dad might have run and tried to scare us again.
Okay, we gotta go get him. Oh no, another troll. This is the
I
tickle troll.
accidentally broke it.
Die.
A limbo.
My stick.
Giant limbo. Dun 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 dun.
Creative helicopter. Whatever. Sticks are worthless. Hold on.
You don't know where they're at?
Hold on.
Got a spider on me.
Tell him to get off.
Oh, it's timber.
I think we should turn back and leave them.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber.
You better move.
Maddie saw him, guys. She's not telling us.
Yes.
There's wild animals in the wood over there.
Really? I knew.
Off beaten path.
I knew. Y'all were trying to scout. I didn't know it. Told you, Maddie. Dad and Jasmine, I knew y'all were sharing it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. You know what? I knew it. What did you hear?
Oh, yeah.
Bye. It was nice seeing you with us three in our little hut.
Be back in a little while.
Yep, we're gonna head back.
Yeah. Bye. Make sure to comment down below any videos you want, and like this video and subscribe.
Subscribe. Say bye, Toll Booth Man.
Bye.